Right now we got the potatoes all harvested. I gathered up some weeds and old leaves from cabbage, and I'm gonna throw that in here, and that way I don't have to fill the pot up with all that dirt. And plus, it'll make compost while the stuff's growing. Oh, I had a lot more than I thought. All this stuff, and then now I'll just top this off with some compost. Let's go get some compost. Brought a shovel too, just in case I need that. Sorry, the space over here is tight. I got a tomato cage where the pumpkin is growing. I didn't want the dog to step on it, so it's just keeping him away. This is just compost. Take that out. That's a invasive weed. Not bindweed. Bittersweet. These are the potatoes I saved out from what we harvested. And that's it. I'll keep topping this off a little bit as it goes down, but we'll have potatoes in the spring. First thing when the weather gets warm enough. I'm gonna leave it here up against the house for the winter. Hopefully it will stay a little warmer. But I always have, you know, you forget and you leave like little tiny potatoes and I'll have plants growing everywhere. So I think I'm gonna plant maybe some garlic on the top of this because garlic roots aren't that deep, I don't think, but we'll see. Can't wait to see you back in the garden.